Immigration rules across the United States are shifting dramatically right now. Whether you're thinking about working here, studying here, or helping family members move here, the rules in 2026 look very different from just a year ago. Let's break down what's actually happening. The government is on track to remove more than 1 million people by the end of this year. That's a huge increase from 622,000 in 2025. ICE is deploying officers to airports, neighborhoods, and work sites. They've even hired 12,000 new agents to make this happen. Here's what's changed. Workers on H-1B visas face a surprise $100,000 fee on top of regular costs. People seeking asylum now might wait a whole year before they can work. Temporary protected status for hundreds of thousands is being ended. The government can turn away asylum seekers before they cross the border. Deportations can happen fast, sometimes without going to court. And detention centers are expanding rapidly. Who does this hurt most? About 350,000 Haitians, 4,000 Syrians, and hundreds of thousands more from El Salvador, Honduras, and Sudan are losing temporary protection status they've relied on for years. Haitian TPS holders alone contribute nearly $6 billion to the U.S. economy and pay $1.6 billion in taxes. Workers on H-1B and other professional visas face much higher costs and more uncertainty. Even international students graduating and wanting to stay are facing tougher rules. Here's the biggest shift at the border. Last year, people could schedule asylum appointments. Now, the Supreme Court says anyone standing in Mexico hasn't technically arrived in the U.S. yet, so they can't apply for asylum. That single court decision changed everything about how asylum works. Looking ahead, new public charge rules make it harder to get a green card if you've used any government benefits. H-1B minimum wages are jumping by 21 to 33%, making sponsorship even more expensive. Courts will keep fighting these policies, but the Supreme Court has already backed most of the government's moves. The asylum backlog could explode to 1.5 million cases waiting in limbo. So there you have it. Immigration in 2026 is stricter, more expensive, and faster moving than ever before. If you or your family are affected, talk to an immigration lawyer now while you still have options. The landscape is changing almost daily, so staying informed is your best defense.